Hi, I'm Graham Smith with the Graham Smith team, and this is your market moment for June 2026. I'm saying market moment, not market minute, because I might need 2 minutes. I have something very important to share with you. You're going to want to pay attention. This market right now has changed just a little bit. We're staying pretty steady on pricing. We haven't seen big upticks in pricing. We're seeing homes still sell. We're seeing buyers still buy. The difference is we've seen an increase in inventory that we have not seen for the past 5 years. In fact, some people would say we haven't seen this for the past 10. What does that mean? Don't be alarmed. We were in a listing desert. There was such a low inventory of listing basically for the last 10 years that people are starved for new listings. So while we're seeing this uptick in listings, it hasn't disrupted the balance. But what it has created is a buyer opportunity right now. Let me tell you why. Since prices are staying where they're at, there's been a misunderstanding with consumers that are selling their homes. The prices that have been achieved have often been achieved through multiple bids. That means people were asking a lower price, achieving a higher price. When folks are bringing their homes to the market at the list price that has been achieved, it's not selling. Let me repeat that, it's not selling. The folks that are bringing their price below what's perceived to be market value are getting competitive bids, and they're getting bid up sometimes past that previous price. The key right now is to offer this market a value if you're a seller. Now, if you're a buyer, they're not selling because there's something wrong with the home. There's just something wrong with the list price. And that's giving you an opportunity sometimes to secure those houses for 10, 15, and in some cases, 20% below market value. That's a huge opportunity. So what are we going to look out for coming up in these next few months, this next quarter and the following fourth quarter? We're going to see what happens with interest rates. They've held steady, but there's some signals stating that the Fed might want to raise them later in the year. We're going to see what happens with world issues, oil, Iran, what's happening in Washington, D.C., and then we will have a midterm election this fall. We'll see how that has an effect on this market. But right now, homes are still selling at top dollar when priced and marketed right. Buyers are getting deals when they're looking for those houses that are sitting a little bit longer. There's a lot of opportunity for everybody in this market. If you want to know how that affects you, your house, and your home search, contact me and I'll put you in touch with our realtors. Thanks a lot.